Hello friends, we'll study the poem, the sonnet, Like as the Waves, further, which has been written by Shakespeare. In the first stanza, in the beginning stanza, he compared the minutes of our life with the waves, and he said that each is trying to compete with the other. The second stanza now, and I'll tell you why this is the second stanza. Nativity once in the main of light. Write down the meaning of nativity. Native means someone who is the original dweller, the one who lives in a place. So, this nativity is life which lives in us. The breaths, the minutes which live in us. So that nativity once in the main of light. Nativity. You can also consider nativity as birth. When we are born, we are in the main of light. As soon as a child is born in a family, everyone says that he is the star. He is my son. He is my sunny. She is my angel. She is a star. So, what do? We always, when life begins first. Once is in the beginning. Nativity, birth. When once it begins in the main of light. उस वक्त में घर में खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ होती हैं. Crawls to maturity. फिर क्या करते हैं? We all crawl. Crawl is slow movement. Slowly we grow. We grow slowly and we come to maturity. See, keep remembering that these are the minutes which are bringing us, once they bring us to nativity. Nativity is life. We come to life as in full light and then we crawl to maturity. We move very slowly. A child crawls. आप इमेजरी को देखें, आप इस तुलना को देखें कि छोटा बच्चा पैदा हुआ और वो धीरे धीरे क्रॉल कर रहा है, चल रहा है, मैच्योरिटी आती है. वेयर विद मीन्स आफ्टर विच बीइंग क्राउंड. क्राउनिंग इज यूथ. फिर आपका यूथ आ जाता है. crooked eclipses against his glory fight. Then after the youth there are crooked eclipses. Eclipses is the hiding of a heavenly body. A very beautiful comparisons. There is a metaphor of aging. वृद्धावस्था का आने को उन्होंने ग्रहण के जैसे बोला है. Eclipse. We are hidden by our old age. Gradually we become crooked. The back bends and the shoulders get hunched and then the legs become rickety. The legs turn inside and then old age makes us deformed. So that is crooked, bad shape. The youth is replaced by crooked eclipses and a person fight against the glory. Which glory? The glory which exists in the first line, main of light. जब हमारा जन्म हुआ था उस समय वाली स्थिति से हमारी ग्लोरी फाइट करती है. हम संघर्ष करते हैं, अरे काश मुझे वापस वो लाइफ मिल जाए. एंड टाइम, सी, टाइम should have been written with a small t, but the poet writes it with a big T. And when you all know that we write our names with big letters, why? Because we are persons. So Shakespeare makes time not an ordinary thing. He makes time the person. So when anything which is mentioned in the beginning of the line with the bold letter, then this figure of speech is called personification. Personification means raising something to the heights of a person, giving it a life and a quality like that of a person. तो ये कौन कर रहा है हमारे साथ में? टाइम कर रहा है. टाइम इज द पावर. Time has been personified as a power which gives you the nativity, which brings to you the main of light, which helps you to crawl to maturity. हम क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि समय हमसे करवा रहा होता है, जन्म देता है समय, हमें ग्लोरी में रखता है, then we crawl to maturity, then when we are crowned we start moving, becoming crooked, and we have eclipses, and time that gave does now his gift confound. So time had given us all these. What? Time had given us nativity. First, second, third line देखें. Time gave us the nativity, time gave us the maturity, and time gave us the crooked eclipses. And now what he gave, doth is does now his gift take back. Confound is take back. अब समय अब हमसे वो सारी जो दी हुई गिफ्ट्स थी, हमारी गिफ्ट, दैट इज द लाइफ. टाइम गेव अस द लाइफ, time gave us maturity, with time we matured, with time we had our eclipse, and then time is taking back everything from us. Why? Because minutes are moving like waves. We cannot go back. We always have to move forward. So in these 4 lines, the poet is saying, these 4 lines are to speak about the power of time. Time, which is monstrous, which has the power to give us birth, to give us maturity, and also to make us crooked when we are moving towards the pebbled shore, when we are moving towards the end of our life. Time transforms us. Now let us also see the last 4 words of each line. Let us look into the previous stanza. In the previous stanza, shore was sound A, end is sound B. Before is like shore, so it is A again, and content is like end, content संगीत बन रहा है इसमें, so both of them are B, A, B, A, B. And these 4 lines made a pattern. So 4 lines, 4 quarter, from the word quarter, quatrain. Let us see, ये शोर और एंड के जैसी हैं क्या इसमें लाइन? लाइट, लाइट शोर के जैसा है? नो. एंड के जैसा है? नहीं. सो इट इज सी. क्राउंड, आउंड, नॉट एंड, आउंड. सो दिस इज डी. फाइट is like light, so C again, and confound is like D, crowned. So the pattern, the rhyme pattern in these 4 lines is C D C D. आप इनको A B नहीं लिख सकते क्योंकि प्रीवियस स्टैंजा में हमने उनको टाइटल दे दिया है. शोर इज ए, end is B, before is A, content is B. Light is C, crowned is D, flight is C, and confound is D. So we see that these 4 lines have a different pattern. And 4 lines having a pattern, I told you yesterday, is a quatrain. So what is this? This is the second quatrain of the poem, Like as the Waves. What is given in this quatrain? In the second quatrain of Like as the Waves, the poet Shakespeare personifies time and says that time gives us birth, time gives us maturity, and time alone makes us old. And the gifts which he had given us earlier, he confounds them, he takes them back, he destroys them. This is all for today. Thank you.